Rummy is a card game in which each player is handed 7 cards and is required to discard them all by melding them into acceptable combinations. One may do a run or a set. A run is a pack of 3 or 4 cards of the same suit in serial order, while a set is a pack of 3 or 4 cards of the same rank but different suits. When a player arranges his cards in such a manner that they form one of these, he earns points for all the cards he has melded. Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be talking about the best Rummy games. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. With that in order, let's get started. Number 10. Classic Rummy. Classic Rummy is one of the top real money Rummy applications. Users may play their favorite Rummy game on the platform's mobile app and website. It is an excellent platform for novices since they may learn the game's technicalities from the platform and then try their luck. This is one of the greatest Rummy app platforms for experienced players since they may earn amazing prizes and cash for winning each game. The portal includes an easy-to-use interface. Cash games available at Classic Rummy include Point Rummy, 101 pools, 201 pools, classic tournaments, and many more. Number 9. Rummy Villa. Rummy Villa has come out with an intriguing offer where you may earn up to 25% more on repeated deposits. In addition, you can get a 100% cash bonus of up to $32 on your initial deposit. In addition, when you refer a friend to Rummy Villa, your account will be awarded the referral amount, which you may use to deposit funds for your next game. The site is suitable for both newbie and experienced Rummy players. Many card games inspired by Indian card games may be found on this real cash Rummy app platform. You also receive player protection and the greatest services. Number 8. Ace23. Ace23 is India's top and safest Rummy platform. It allows its customers to play a variety of Rummy games. If you join the portal today, you will be able to take advantage of amazing deals that will allow you to save and earn a large amount of money. Furthermore, if you win the game or tournament, a certain sum will be paid to your account, which you may then utilize in the form of real money. Number 7. Rummy Central. Moving on, we have Rummy Central. It is also one of India's top-rated Rummy platforms where you may win real money. You may play various Rummy games on the platform, including single-player and multiplayer games. It allows you to play the 29-card game, which is rarely offered on other websites. Its mobile app is accessible for both iOS and Android users. Number 6. Rummy Passion. The site allows its users to play a free game, compete in tournaments, and gain promotional prizes when they deposit money. It includes a good interface that allows you to easily play any of your favorite Rummy games. It has a referral program that may earn you money. Download the app and start playing Rummy to win money. You may even access the website and play the game while on the move. It is undoubtedly one of the greatest Rummy applications for earning real money. Number 5. Indigo Rummy. Indigo Rummy is next on our list. The site is designed for seasoned Rummy players. You may join the platform and begin playing your favorite Rummy game. Tournaments are also organized by the site, and registered users may participate. The platform has worked with several banks to give its users the finest and most convenient experience possible. It also offers a customer service staff available around the clock to help you and address your concerns. Number 4. Rummy Circle. Rummy Circle is one of the top Rummy sites online. The platform also features a mobile app for iOS and Android. It offers an easy-to-use UI and other features that improve the game experience. Rummy Circle provides a wide range of Rummy games, from modern Rummy to 13-card Rummy. They have regular tournaments in which you may compete for real money. When you win a game or tournament, the winnings are transferred to your Rummy Circle account, which you can then transfer to your bank account. Before we see our last 3 Rummy apps, give the video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the video. Number 3. Calplay Rummy. Calplay Rummy has excellent features, making it one of the greatest Rummy websites and the best Rummy app for real money. From traditional to current Rummy games, the platform includes a wide range of Rummy games that you can access through your mobile phone or PC via its website. Calplay Rummy sponsors several tournaments for its users, all free to enter. You might also join the Calplay Loyalty Point Program and earn actual cash. Number 2. Atta 52. Atta 52 is one of the greatest online rummy sites where you can effortlessly earn money. The portal contains a website as well as a mobile app that is compatible with both Android and iOS. This online rummy program enables you to play various online rummy and poker games from the comfort of your own home and participate in tournaments. All you need to do is download the app and set up an account. You'll also get reward points that you may use to play in the future. Number 1. Jungley Rummy. Lastly, we have Jungley Rummy, which allows you to play rummy with a large group of people. The portal features a website and a mobile app that can be downloaded on Android and iOS devices. It includes certain exceptional features that provide you with the greatest experience. It is one of the most renowned and top online rummy sites. You may play games like Pool Rummy, Point Rummy, Deals Rummy, 21 cards, and many more. Whether a newbie or an experienced rummy player, this is the ideal platform for you to play rummy and earn big money. And that brings us to the end of what we have in store for you. Which among these apps have you used? What was the experience like? Please let us know in the comments section. I will catch you in the next one. Adios.